Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the January mystery, which I am so excited about. January mystery is always birthday and I try and change it up, make it a little something different, and I love this. It has been requested. Actually, somebody I think in September or something said you should bring this theme specifically as a birthday kit, and I was like, lips are sealed. This is exclusive art. You won't find it anywhere else. We also do have a collab foil bundle for this, which is very, very exciting and very beautiful. But yeah, I am ready to show y'all. Let's go ahead. She's so cute. I'm so excited, and I'm kind of sad though because I am saving this for Lila's second birthday because I think December, red and green, but also this is just a great anytime birthday spread. I think that Kirsten said she's going to use this for Avery's birthday this year possibly, and it's just so stinking cute. Always for January, I try and throw in a couple little extras too, so we'll get into that. But let me show you the ultimate first. It is a strawberry themed birthday party and I love it. I just think strawberries are so fun and delicious. So you have the two different fashion options up here. You have the little outdoor setting birthday party with the cake and the presents and the drinks and the chocolate covered strawberries, the cake pops, the actual strawberries. I love it. I love these colors. They're so bright, vibrant, and fun. And I think the foil with this I think is perfect. But I feel if you wanted to switch it up, you could do silver, you could do gold, you could do a matte bronze, because I love this in here. But I think gold with champagne lights would be really pretty as well. Ugh, it's just so good. If you have a green, I'm just so excited. I've been waiting to release this kit and I'm so pumped. You have a cake here, a little outfit flat lay. These colors, they're so fun and inviting and just beautiful. Everything, perfection. Love the patterns, love this. Perfect for a little quote box. And then I just love any hedge bottom washi or Christmas tree, the texture of it, I'm obsessed with. Then you have your doodles, your extra color. And like I said, this will be changed up. I think in March is the first month where it will have, it'll look like label 2 over here. And then you have your extras box. So you have a tall option here, another little flat lay fashion box is more baby themed, and then some different fashion options here as well. So lots and lots of boxes to move around, switch around, and do the thing. And then let me show you the foil. So this is a collab with Caress Press, and I'm so excited to show y'all. So this is a strawberry foil bundle, and this is in a sparkly red. Let me see if I can pull up my phone. I feel the studio lights doesn't do sparkly much justice. I think you'll be able to see it most on here. But it is a sparkly red. Obsessed. I just love a sparkly red. It just shines bright. And I think with these colors, it's going to be so fun. You could totally use all 4 colors, or if you wanted to kind of omit the red so that this red pops more. I'm personally probably just going to use all of the colors. I think this is going to be so fun and beautiful. Or remember how I told y'all that I'm going to use this for Lila's birthday and it's in December? I was thinking I could mix in some Christmas red items from Planet Hannah and do maybe switch these out for maybe a Christmas underlay just to give it different vibes. I think that'd be cute as well. But I mean, this is just perfection. Perfection. And I still think that if you wanted to use this with let's say silver, that you could use this with another kit, a strawberry, you could use it with a farmer's market kit, or you could use it with just a regular kind of summery or spring kit. Ugh, it's just so stinking good. So you have your full boxes here. You have 2 that have a stroke. You have some 4 corners, some opposing corners, and then a wide box. You also have a tall box overlay, some headers, and then some extra boxes down here. So lots of boxes. You have your 2 pages of the underlay bougie boxes in the gingham print, which is perfect. You have that throughout in the kit as well, underneath on the outfit. Then you have this page here that has your icons and your scripts. And then this page here has your deco, your date numbers, your hole reinforcers, your bottom washi overlay, and then your fancy headers. And it's so cute because they're open and cut open in regular strawberries. I just think it's so cute. And the little strawberry seeds. Maggie just killed it with this. So very excited about this one here. So that is the foil bundle, and then there are 2 extras. So you have the matte label sampler in the sparkly red to match. So cute. I don't know if we've ever done sparkly red in the matte label sampler. And then also the birthday quotes in sparkly red. So you have lots of options here. Let me know. Are you keeping this foil bundle with it? Are you going to switch it out for something else? Are you going to mix in another foil? Because I think that could be fun too if you mix in a silver with this. I think it would make the red pop even more. But let me know what your plans are in the comments down below. But this is probably one of my favorite January mysteries. It's just so stinking pretty. And I would use it for literally anyone's birthday. Anyone's birthday, you name it, it would happen. So let me go ahead and show you the mini kit, which is a more affordable option. So this is the full boxes, the deco page, the glitter header page, the mini kit, bottom washi, and then the extra page here. And again, this changes up in March. I think it's March. And it'll be like the label sampler of these will be over here. And then I think that it's like the label 2 over here. And then the freebies in this one, again, we added an extra one. So you have the large sparkly red label sampler along with the sparkly red birthday boxes. So that is everything for this month, y'all, and I hope you like it. I love it, and I'm so excited to see all the spreads with this. And yeah, that is everything. I hope y'all like it, and I'll talk to you in my next one.